2. Run XAMPP on Linux. There are two ways in this video. The first, type it like this. Enter password. Well, here. Already worked, which is Apache. It's already worked. Then his MySQL has also succeeded. The second way we use GUI. Will perform like this. Well, here, MySQL already run yet. We click Manage Server. We turn it off first. We stop first. We reactivate, or we run back. Miscalits, start. Then, Apache also, weave stuff. Well, here it says, running means it works. And his MySQL is also running. Means it's been working. We can close. That's two ways that can be used to run XAMPP of Linux. Hopefully tutorial this is useful.